Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is a pair of Adidas tennis shoes that I got off of academy.com for $29. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. These are the Run Falcon 3.0s, HP 7543. Hopefully you're gonna be able to see that. $29. I really wasn't even looking for shoes, but for the price, I thought, why not? So let's take a look at them. I'm not really sure why they were so inexpensive. I actually thought they were pretty good looking, and I needed some because I run through these things when playing tennis. So they are nice and light. And really, don't look too bad either. Give you an idea of the SKU. It's hard to find any tennis shoe these days for $29, much less a name brand like Adidas. $29, academy.com. It's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.